Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll dive into the latest updates in the crypto world, specifically how Bitcoin has reacted to global monetary policies, interest rate cuts, and the latest developments from China. We'll also cover the altcoin market and the big news in options trading that could shake up the market later this week. So, let's break it all down. Bitcoin's price rose marginally on Wednesday, climbing 0.1% to 63,513.00, but the bullish momentum that we saw from global monetary easing has started to lose steam. While stimulus measures from China have helped boost market sentiment, attention is now focused on the upcoming interest rate cuts from Swiss and Swedish central banks following the Federal Reserve's first rate cut since 2020. Now, the question on everyone's mind is a Bitcoin breakout imminent? Over the past 2 weeks, Bitcoin has shown a strong recovery, largely driven by a bumper interest rate cut from the Fed. Analysts predict that rates could drop by at least 125 basis points by the end of 2024, which would favor speculative assets like Bitcoin. However, despite this recovery, Bitcoin has struggled to break past the August high of $65,000. If it can breach this level, we could see further gains, but the currency has found it difficult to sustain any level above $65,000 since its record high in March. Turning to the altcoin market, we've seen mixed performances. Ether fell by 1% to 2,607,078. While coins like SOL and ADA outperformed, rising by 1.6% and 2.5% respectively. On the meme coin front, Doge slipped by 0.3%, showing us that the sentiment is somewhat tepid across the board. All eyes are now on the upcoming interest rate decisions from Sweden and Switzerland. In the US, we're expecting more insights from Fed Chair Jerome Powell on Thursday and PCE price index data, one of the Fed's preferred inflation indicators, coming in on Friday. These events could bring about some volatility in the crypto markets. Speaking of volatility, we're likely to see increased activity in the next 2 days as $5.8 billion worth of Bitcoin options contracts are set to expire on Friday. Deribit, the world's largest crypto options exchange, reports that about 20% of the contracts are in the money, which could trigger significant market activity as traders either close or roll over their positions. Recently, we've also seen some mysterious whale movements. $1 billion worth of Bitcoin transferred from unknown wallets in batches of 2,000 BTC. According to Arkham Intelligence, these transfers could be linked to Fidelity Custody, which is now handling nearly 300,000 BTC, valued at around $18.35 billion. Bitcoin critic and gold advocate Peter Schiff also weighed in recently, arguing that Bitcoin lacks the practical utility that resources like gold and oil offer. Schiff contends that Bitcoin's value is speculative and driven by demand, unlike gold, which serves industrial purposes. However, many see Bitcoin as digital gold, a hedge against inflation and an alternative store of value, especially in countries with unstable economies. From a technical perspective, Bitcoin seems to be forming a head and shoulders pattern. If this pattern plays out, we could be in for a major price move, potentially pushing Bitcoin towards the $90,000 mark. However, Bitcoin needs to break past the $65,000 resistance level to confirm this bullish trend. Ethereum is also showing some strength, trading above its 50-day moving average, currently sitting at $2,646. But, like Bitcoin, ETH is facing resistance at $2,700 and trading volume is declining. A break above $2,700 could set the stage for another rally, but for now, we could see some sideways movement. So Binance Coin, BNB, has broken a significant resistance level that had held for 65 days. BNB recently surged past $600, marking an important psychological and technical milestone. But despite this breakthrough, BNB is struggling to push past the $610 mark. Trading volume is starting to level off, which suggests that BNB might face resistance here. The next crucial support level is around 585, which coincides with the 50-day EMA. If BNB retraces and breaks below 585s, we could see a more extended correction, potentially taking the price back to the $550–560 range, where the 100-day EMA offers stronger support. To continue its upward momentum, BNB will need fresh investor interest or a positive macroeconomic catalyst. Traders should keep an eye on the $610 level because a sustained move above this could set the stage for a rally towards $650. However, if the volume continues to weaken, BNB might remain range-bound, or we could even see a pullback. According to renowned technical analyst Gert van Lagen, Bitcoin could surge by over 472% within the next year. Van Lagen's analysis shows a step-like formation resembling the famous cup with handle bull pattern. Based on this, he believes Bitcoin could hit $300,000 per BTC, which would be a monumental increase from current levels. While this is a highly optimistic prediction, it aligns with a broader bullish outlook for Bitcoin, especially if we see a breakout from the head and shoulders pattern. In summary, the crypto market is at a crossroads, with major interest rate decisions and options expiries set to shake things up. Bitcoin and Ethereum are facing significant resistance levels, and it will be interesting to see how these events unfold in the coming days. As always, stay informed and trade responsibly. That's all for today's deep dive into the crypto market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. And as always, leave a comment below with your thoughts on Bitcoin's next move. Until next time, stay safe and happy trading.